आदीं ह्याच सभागृहात मांडिल्ले 2025-26 वर्साचे अर्थसंकल्पाचेर उलोवपाक हांव उबो रावलो. अर्थसंकल्प विधानसभेन मांडटा सावन गोंय राज्यान उदरगतीच्या ह्या मोठ्या म्हत्वाच्या विशयाचेर इतलो व्हड काळांत उपरांत आमी भासाभास करपाक उबे रावल्यात. हाजे वयल्यानूच कळटा की हो सरकार गोंयच्या लोकां प्रती आनी विकासा प्रती कितलो असंवेदनशील आसा तो. हो सरकार फकत भोगावळींत म्हळ्यार फॉर्मालिटीत करता. देखून समेस्त गोंयकारांचो आवाज म्हणून ह्या अपेक्षेक धरून हांव विशयाचेर म्हजी मतां मांडपाक म्हणजे कर्तव्य समजता. स्पीकर साहेब, आतांच आमचो बाब दाजी सरकारान म्हणलें की बऱ्यो गोश्टीचेरूय बी भर दिवचो. आतां एक हे PRS रिसर्च म्हणटा ते तुवें पळयलां आसतलें आनी हे PRS रिसर्च सांगता की annual budgets were discussed. Days for which budget and ministry expenditure were discussed in 2024. गोंय बजेट डिस्कशनाक 18 दीस काडले. अशेंच केरळांनी 18 दीस मोडले. सो आमचो म्हळ्यार आमी वी आर फेरिंग व्हेरी वेल. सो आमी सभागृहांत खरें क्रेडीट दिवंक जाय की आमी वी आर डिस्कसिंग द बजेट एट लेंथ. बट दीस इयर वी हॅव रिड्यूस्ड इट बाय 3 days. So we are, our standards are falling. Nationally, our standards are falling. So first thing is, please don't press the bell immediately. Discussion as it is, you have cut by 3 days. This is as per a very unbiased research which I think everybody is available and has been distributed to everyone. So first thing, बऱ्यो गोष्टी म्हणट्यो कितें की गोंय मातशें फुडें आशिल्लें गेल्या वर्सा मेरेन. ह्या वर्सा तुमी करपाचें तें केलेंच. स्पीकर सर, अर्थसंकल्पाच्या पयल्याच पॅराग्राफान डबल इंजिन, ग्रीन फ्युचर, स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय, विकसीत गोंय, अंत्योदय, सर्वोदय, ग्रामोदय अशे सारक्या व्हडल्यो आकर्शक उतरांचो वापर केला. ही उतरां आयकुपाक बरी दिसता. स्पीकर सर, लोकांक भुलोवन फुलां माळपाक बरी आसात. पूण अर्थसंकल्पाचे मांडणे कडेन ताचो ताळमेळ बसना हें लक्षांत येता. उतरां कडेन खेळपाक हो सरकार बरो आसा, सारको टॉप आहा. पूण भाशणांनी विकास जायना. स्पीकर सर, तो करतलो जाल्यार सामान्य मनशाच्यो मुळाव्यो गरजो जाणून घेवन त्या नदरेन प्रायोजन करपाचें पडटा. इंग्लिशीन जर उलयतलो जाल्यार देर इज अ सिंपल कन्सेप्ट that if you cannot convince them, confuse them. Speaker sir, the true face of this budget will be known when we read the actuals for this year against the budget estimates. Now let us compare 23-24. What the government estimated and what was actually spent. Speaker sir, non-tax revenues receipts fell short by 1,972.12 crores. That is 9.75% compared to the budgetary estimates. Mainly due to underperformance in the non-tax revenue. States' own non-tax revenue underperformed by 1,792.27 crores, realizing only 4,233.61 crores against the estimate of 6,025.88 crores, a shortfall of nearly 30%. Indicating poor collection from casinos, mining, tourism, etc. Actual revenue expenditure was 17,085.61 crores, nearly 3,071.90 crores or 15.2% lower than revised estimate, pointing to spending cuts or failure to implement planned programs. Actual capital expenditure was only 4,966.23 crores compared to a budgetary estimate of 6,575.46 crores, a 24.5% shortfall, particularly affecting infrastructure and public asset creation. Actual revenue surplus stood at 1,200.12 crores, Speaker sir, which is more than double the budgetary estimate of 458.90 crores. But this is largely due to expenditure compression rather than revenue efficiency. Speaker sir, हे जर पळोवंक गेलो जाल्यार आतां आमी कंपेर करूया हे वर्साचे बजेट एस्टिमेटेड. Estimates for borrowings or other liabilities have gone down compared to last year from 10.2% to 9.8% of total earnings. Grant in aid from the central engine has come down from 6.2% to 5.4%. Double engine tumje. Tuani gyallo tui. State's own tax revenue has come down from 25.3% to 24.3%. The state's own tax revenue share has come down from 38.8% to 38.7%. What does this all mean, Speaker sir? It means that even though revenue composition may appear stable, the figures reveal deeper concerns about the state's fiscal economy, over-dependence on external sources, and stagnation in internal resource mobilization. There is continued over-dependence on the center. Money from central government, taxes plus grants, now makes up 27.2% of the state's revenue, which is more than 25.7% last year. Speaker sir, the state is receiving a large share of central taxes, but less in grants. Tax मेळपाचो मेळटा पूण grant मेळना, which may mean less support for state schemes, leaving the state more vulnerable to policy decisions made in Delhi. This makes the state financially vulnerable as it depends more on funds controlled by the central government. There is a stagnation in own revenue generation. The state's own tax revenue is almost the same, 38.7% to 38.8%, showing no real progress. Borrowings are still high, masking weakness. Borrowing accounts for almost 10% of the budget, indicating a heavy reliance on debt. The government is mostly relying on regular income instead of making bold changes like tax reforms, better digital systems, higher user charges, or making money from public assets. Speaker sir, when comparing the percentage expenditure to the previous year, this is observed. There is an alarming rise in debt servicing, 18.5%. 15.7% गेल्या वर्सा आशिल्लें, हे वर्सा 18.5% जाता, म्हणजे almost 20%, 1/5 of the budget is going only in debt. तुम्ही जे ऋण काढून जे तुम्ही कढयला पळय ते भरपाकूच पयशे वता. This reflects growing past borrowings, possibly to fund revenue expenditure, not productive investments. This is a classic case of bad debt. Investments, advances and contributions have decreased from 6.1% to 5.5%. This means that the government is cutting back on capital formation, undermining long-term economic growth and asset creation. Subsidies remain flat at 3.5%, suggesting no political will to rationalize subsidies or shift to more targeted efficient systems and direct bank transfer be उलयतात पण ते तितले ना तुमचे. This indicates a populist approach, maintaining subsidies regardless of efficiency or leakage. Conclusion, Speaker sir, yes, सरकाराचे spending badly out of balance and it is getting worse. कोंकणीन जर सांगूंक गेलो जाल्यार आयचे मरण फाल्यांचेर उडयलां इतलेंच. म्हळ्यार आयचे मरण फाल्यांचेर धुकलप हे सगळें जर ही प्रक्रिया आहा ताका हे म्हणटात. Speaker sir, now let us analyze and compare the budget 2024-25 versus budget 25-26. Revenue receipts show moderate growth in collection, but not transformative. Revenue increases from 21,731.49 crores last year to 22,703.26 crores, only 4.5% growth. Conclusion अशें आहा की सरकार has hardly shown any earning growth and is making no real effort to diversify income sources or improve collections. Government is surely going to increase fees in the coming months. And ह्यो fees म्हणटा त्यो गरीब जनतेक लागतले आनी मागीर मायकल लोबो आमचो opposition leader in the ruling party उलयतलो. Speaker sir, comparing a 4.5% revenue growth rate with 14.27 GDP growth rate he claims it is clear that there is weak revenue buoyancy, which indicates inefficient or leaky tax collection, inflated GDP, no tax reforms or base expansion. Inflating GSTP raises a red flag. Is the GDP projection artificially inflated to show economic optimism, while revenue projections are understated to excuse underperformance and not scare people about the oncoming hike in fees? Why is this mismatch? Is it a deliberate claim to growth without the accountability of transforming it into state income? Speaker sir, if the GDP is growing at 14.27%, but revenue is only growing at 4.5%, then the government is either failing to capture growth through taxation or falsely inflating GSDP figures to paint a rosy picture. Both are unacceptable and reflective either of administrative inefficiency, policy failure or manipulation of public perception. Speaker sir, GSDP analysis जर करपाक गेले मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या बजेट स्पीचीचेर अंडर चॅप्टर फिस्कल प्रोफाइल तो म्हणटा GSDP at current prices for the year 25-26 is projected at rupees 1,38,624.86 crores with a growth rate of 14.27%. Goa's per capita is projected to be 9.69 lakhs for the year 25-26, portraying a robust and healthy economy. Speaker sir, हे जे मुख्यमंत्री उलयता तें जर जातलें जाल्यार गोंयची economy will have to grow not at 14.27, Mr. Cabral. It has to grow at 21.74%. This is based on the revision metrics of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. I've got the figures. So who is correct? Is the Chief Minister who spoke the budget speech 4 months ago correct? Or is the man sitting in the gallery correct? Or is the central government correct? एक कोण तरी फट मारता हे क्लियर आहा and I am willing to challenge and talk as much. So basically जे आता आमचो बाप विरेश बोरकार उलयतालो की हे बजेट म्हणतो फुगो म्हणून ते हांव completely agree जाता. This is a balloon of window dressing and fudging the figures आणि मागीर लास्टाक म्हणप भिवपाची गरज ना म्हणून. गोंयकारांनी आयकूंक जाय की आमकां गोंयकारांक भिवपाची गरज आसाच. हे जर बजेट जाल्यार आमकां भिवपाची गरज आसाच. स्पीकर सर, we have seen how you have manipulated figures. स्पीकर सर, आता टुरिझमाचे बाब रोहन खोटो दिसलो म्हणून टक्कर म्हणटा 54 लाख टुरिस्ट आयले म्हणटा. आत्ता हांवें काडला मायकल लोबो आमचो बाब लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन इन द रुलिंग ताणे 27 फेब्रुवारी 2025 म्हणला एज अ कोस्टल बेल्ट MLA I have witnessed this decline on a daily basis. All stakeholders must take responsibility to bring back the lost glory of beach tourism in Goa. Speaker sir, मायकलान आनी एक म्हणला गुड टुरिस्ट हे भाशणान तू म्हणटा हॅव ड्रॉप्ड फ्रॉम कमिंग टू गोवा. हे आता हे तुमचेच घरचा आहेर म्हणटा तो रोहन. स्पीकर सर, स्मॉल अँड मिडियम हॉटेल्स असोसिएशन म्हणतात की दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू मूव बियॉन्ड सिंगल डिजिट बुकिंग्स डिसेंबर 2024. स्पीकर सर, समरी 24-25 ते 25-26 revenue increase is modest while interest payments and capital borrowing surge. Fiscal deficit is reducing on paper but underlying dependency on debt and center remain unchanged. In short, Goa's finances are becoming debt heavier, not development smarter. So smart bit म्हणते खोबरे सगळे सोडा. हे तुमचे simple हे debt heavier development and not development smarter. Speaker sir, revenue receipts on power sector dominates revenue. Over 4,487.64 crores of non-tax revenue comes from the power sector, which is nearly double the amount collected 2 years ago in 23-24. That is 2,435.58 crores. So किती झाले 2 वर्षांत? काब्राल, तू 2 वर्षा पयलीं मंत्री आल्लो. Have the number of consumers doubled in the 2 years? Or have you increased the burden on the existing customers? अशे इतले वाढले कशे? 2,400 कोटी कशे वाडटा? सो आयदर तू तांचेर बर्डन वाडयलो ओ कंज्युमर इतले गोंयान भायल्यान लोक आयले. Revenue from mines department dropped from 513 crores to 178 crores. Speaker sir, budget reduction and misfire अशे आहा. पयले म्हणल्यार school education. In spite of NEP, budget has been reduced from 2,288.33 crore last year to 2,100 crore this year. For the maintenance of primary schools, budget स्पीचान मुख्यमंत्र्यान म्हणला की 200 कोटी allocate केल्या म्हणून मेंटेनन्स वर्काक बिफोर मॉन्सून. बजेट फिगर जर पळोवंक गेले जाल्यार 150 कोटीच आहा. 50 कोटी कॅट केले. स्पीकर सर, अनफॉर्च्युनेटली हेय पैसे तुम्ही मोडूंक ना. आनीक थोडी स्कुलां उगडी जाली विदाउट रूफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल तालिगांव प्रायमरी स्कूल, फोटो आयला पेपरार. सीएम म्हणटलो आतां हें काडटा म्हणून आपले तूं आतांच आयला आनी ते हें हांव म्हगेली लायन हांव घेवन आहा. गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल बिरोणे पेडणे सामकें दिश्टी पडटा. स्पीकर सर, skill development and entrepreneurship budget is reduced from 107 crores to 103.99 crores. Reduction of the budget creates skilled labor. Speaker sir, where is the money for the internship scheme for 500 dropouts announced in your budget? Speaker sir, पंचायतीचो budget 313 कोटी last year आशिल्ले, एक वर्सात 312 जाला. Burden of revenue तो काडटलो, लोकलांचेर तुमी घालतले, टॅक्स वाडयतले. State of the economy. Speaker sir, despite projected, which I am not agreeing, but projected 14.27 state growth rate, the government is raising stamp duty, fees, tariffs, which remains unnecessary. इतलें जर economic expansion जाता जाल्यार हें वाडयता कित्याक? Speaker sir, हें जर सगळें पळयलें जाल्यार अशें दिसता की राज्याचें आर्थीक आरोग्य इबाडलां. विकास म्हणटा तो नावापुरतोच आहा. Overall economic health is weak beneath the surface. Real growth is modest. Most headline gains are from inflation and per capita progress is underwhelming for a small service-driven state. Speaker sir, sectoral imbalance is highly skewed. The service sector is carrying most of the growth. Manufacturing is stagnant, hasn't recovered to pre-pandemic levels. Agriculture is barely growing and remains vulnerable. Growth in utilities is driven by investment rather than real access or affordability, leaving the economy over-dependent on services and exposed to shocks in other sectors. Speaker sir, employment and enterprise हातून gap आहा. गोंयांत serious gap between employment and enterprise. There is weak growth in manufacturing and agriculture, means limited job creation for youth and rural population. Economic base is narrowing with few value-added industries or MSME incentives outside real estate and services, and persistent skill mismatches that keep youth unemployment very high. We are second highest unemployed state in the country. Despite overall GSDP growth, reflecting growth without inclusion. म्हणजे growth जाता पण सगळ्यांक आमी बरोबर घेवंक शकना. स्पीकर सर, फिस्कल आणि पॉलिसी weakness म्हणजे क्लियर आहा. Real economic growth lags behind government's claims built on inflated nominal figures. Rising public spending is not improving core services like health, education or infrastructure, and there is still no coherent long-term development. गोंयच्या आगळ्या वेगळ्या पर्यावरण वा लोकसंख्या शास्त्राचे नदरेन खास नियोजन केल्लें दिश्टी पडना. सरकारचे सगळे विजन डॉक्युमेंट्स आणि मास्टर प्लॅन फक्त फार्स जावन आहात. स्पीकर सर, low credit growth in Goa suggests that business houses are reluctant to invest. पैसे घालपाक गॅरंटी ना. आज आहा आरपी, फाल्यां आहा ओडीपी आसल्यार आरपी ना, आरपी आसल्यार ओडीपी ना, मागीर म्हणटा ओडीपी ना आरपी ना. कितें? Business houses are reluctant to invest basically because of uncertain prospects, not because of weak demand. Banks are remaining cautious about lending. Bank पुढे इतले गोंयांत जर ग्रोथ आहा 14.27%, bank lending कित्याक जायना, especially to MSMEs and vulnerable sectors like tourism and agriculture. Speaker sir, as a result, financial resources are not flowing efficiently into productive areas, limiting economic dynamism and job creation. Speaker sir, हो बजेट जर पळोवंक गेलो जाल्यार हो बजेट हो अर्थसंकल्प तसो भयानक, अवास्तव आणि फुडाराचे कसलेच धोरण नाशिल्लो अशें दिसता. ह्या अर्थसंकल्पाचेर आमचो गोंयकार स्वयंपूर्ण विकसीत जातलो आणि अंत्योदय सर्वोदय ग्रामोदय सारकी उतरां प्रत्यक्षान येतलीं अशें जर मुखेलमंत्र्याक दिसता जाल्यार तो पिशाक पिपळ दाखयता अशें म्हणचें पडटलें. हें एक कोंकणी म्हणणें. आतां तें मराठीन म्हाका म्हणूंक कळना, तें सुदीन ढवळीकारान ट्रान्सलेट करचें. Speaker sir, I would like to conclude that this budget document is a scary budget, one that does not face reality, one that shirks responsibility towards the future of the state. Because as I have said before and want to repeat, that the Chief Minister does not want to acknowledge the debt trap we are falling into and want to continue to borrow on unwanted schemes and projects. Speaker sir, we have to test this budget for the test of Goinkarpan. Speaker sir, does the common Goikar benefit by any measure in the budget? The answer sadly is no. Is the government badly exposed when it comes to this most important issue of money? Yes. It has shown itself to be insensitive to the needs of Goinkars, does nothing to alleviate the sufferings of the people. Speaker sir, every year the same disappointment with the budget prevails. This year is also no different. We are all very disappointed. Disappointed but not surprised. Speaker sir, every year the Chief Minister has fallen short. It has become unreasonable for me to expect something different or anything different from this budget, because Chief Minister is acting like the agent of the central government and its cronies. Speaker sir, the budget is another step in the grand plan to sell Goa and Goans and to ensure that Goa ends up as a colony of the center. I am sure no Goan wants this and will not be swayed by the empty promises and untruths in the budget. Speaker sir, despite whatever the Chief Minister has tried by way of this almost election year budget, I am confident that Goinkarpan will prevail and eventually show the way to a Goa that all of us can be proud of. Speaker sir, थोड्या भितर जर सांगपाचें पडलें जाल्यार हे अर्थसंकल्प म्हणल्यार बाजारांत विकते घेतिल्ले चिप्साचे पाकिटा भशेन. आमचो मायकल लोबो उलयतना तो उलोवपाक लागलो चिप्सांचेर, म्हणून म्हाका याद जाली चिप्सांची. तुवें स्टार्ट केलें बिचोले आमी आपूण गेलो आनी थंय ते चिप्स करतात आनी ते भायले लोक आयले चिप्स घाल, चिप्साचेर तो उलयतालो. याद आसा तुका ओदोड? सो चिप्साची म्हाका याद आयली. हें बजेट आमचें चिप्सां भशेन. चिप्स कितें बरें हें आसता, भायल्यान सोबीत दिसता, तें पॅकेट बी बरें आसता, पूण फोडलें न्ही जाल्यार भितर चिप्स इतल्यो मेळटा उरिल्ली सगळी हवाच. सो हांवें एक चिप्साचें पॅकेट हाडलें पळोवपाकूच. हांवें पळय कितलें पळय हवा कितली पळय हाजे भशेन तें. स्पिकर सर, तें म्हाका भायरूच मेळ्ळें, आमच्या हातून मेळटा हें, आनी तें सारकें म्हाका मायकल लोबोच्या चिप्साची याद जाली. स्पिकर सर, हें बजेट सारकें चिप्सां भशेन. तें जर उगडें केलें जाल्यार इतलेच चिप्स, हवाच चड, खाण कमी, तें हें बजेट. तितलेंच हांव एनालायज करूंक सोदतां आनी बेगीन सोंपयलें. स्पिकर सर, तुम्ही टायम कमी दिवन पसून ह्या वर्सा एक रिपोर्ट आयला, जो रिपोर्ट ऑफ PRSाचो म्हणटा की आमचे गोंयच्या असेंब्लीन 18 दीस बजेट डिस्कस केलें म्हणून आमी नंबर 1 आमी आनी केरला. पूण 18चे तुमी 15 केले. तुमकां ह्या वर्सा कितें जालें तें हांव नकळो, पूण तुमी तें कमी केलें. अशें कमी करचें न्ही, डिस्कशन खूब जावचें. गोंयांत एक हें आहा स्पेशल, तांणी एन्युअल रिव्यून सांगिल्लें आहा की गोंय म्हणटा तें अशें की सगळ्यांत चड बजेटाचेर डिस्कशन जाता, व्हेरी प्रोग्रेसीव, व्हेरी गुड, म्हणून कायदे करतना सगळ्यांत कमी कायद्यांचेर डिस्कशन जाता. इंडियेच्या हातून सगळें तुमी डन 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 कंप्लीट 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 म्हणटा पळय तें आयलां तुमचे सारको रिपोर्ट आयला, बरयलेलें आहा की गोंय हातून सगळ्यांत तुमी हें करता. CAG म्हणटा की बजेट फिगर्स आर बिकमिंग अनरियलिस्टीक. आमचो फ्रेंड जो भितर बसला ताचें नांव पडते पडते काडल्यार म्हाका बेजार जाता तो. म्हणून ताणें हे CAGचे 23-24 वाचचें की बजेट फिगर्स आर बिकमिंग अनरियलिस्टीक. बजेट एस्टिमेट्स टू एक्चुअल्स कॅपिटल आउटले शॉर्टफॉल 29% आहा. कंपेरिंग रिवाइज एस्टिमेट्स टू एक्चुअल 24% शॉर्टफॉल आहा. स्पिकर सर, हें कित्याक जाता म्हणटा CAG? हें मुखेलमंत्र्यान चिंतूंक जाय. युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट दिवपाक डिपार्टमेंट वेळ काडटात, हें एक रिजन सांगा. दिस इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह फेलियर. स्पिकर सर, कॅपिटल स्टक इन इनकम्प्लीट प्रोजेक्ट्स. खंय तरी प्रोजेक्टान पयशे घाले आनी ते प्रोजेक्ट कसो आहा कंप्लीटूय जायना, तें सेकंड रिजन. स्पिकर सर, हें आतां सुदरूंक कशें जाता? सुदारतलो जाल्यार रिट्रोस्पेक्टीव टॅक्स सुप्रीम कोर्टान डिक्लेअर केलें आहा मिनरलाचेर, आयर्न ओराचेर. मुखेलमंत्र्याक तें बरें खबर आसतलें, पूण हें अलाव केलां. सो रेव्हेन्यू तुजो इनक्रीज जावंक जाता इफ यू पुट रिट्रोस्पेक्टीव टॅक्स ऑन मिनरल्स. स्पिकर सर, एक मात तुमकां सांगलें तें पडतें. गोवा स्पेंड्स मोर टायम डिस्कसिंग बजेट बट व्हेरी क्विक टू पास बिल्स. सो आतां फुडले जे कितें कायदे बी हाडपाचे आहा ताजेर मातशें आमी आमचें नांव आनी आमचें नाक राखचें, ताजेर डिस्कशन जावचें. म्हाका तुमी उलोवंक दिलें म्हणून देव बरें करूं.